To be the best class president, embody kindness, initiative, leadership, and camaraderie. Treat everyone with respect, let others speak before you, and acknowledge whoever addresses you promptly. Be kind to those who may not be kind to you and respond politely even in situations where others are rude. Treat others how you want to be treated and use positive body language to communicate effectively. Show small acts of kindness like greeting people, opening doors, and helping others. Plan specific days to show gratitude, such as writing thank you letters to faculty and staff, organizing potlucks to involve parents, and delivering sweets to teachers. Lastly, make an effort to talk to all of your classmates at least once, to show that you care about them and will consider their input in any student council policies.